Okay.
Papa and Mimi have just arrived.
Come on, come on, come on. Yes.
And the puppies are very happy.
Hello, hello, hello.
The gate's open. Yep. Okay.
Okay, I see you.
I want Mimi's reaction to her great-grandson.
Oh, look at him. Oh, my goodness.
Look at the girl.
He's so cute. Oh, yeah, I know. I don't want you guys. Oh, look.
You jealous?
Oh, my goodness. You're going to sleep.
Handsome little guy.
Oh, isn't he handsome? Yeah.
You can turn off the swing and get him out if you want. I know you're anxious to hold him. Just flip that bottom switch.
He's happy.
Yep.
Hey you. Hey you.
What are you doing?
Hey you. Hey you.
Oh, Lucy, quiet.
You're too noisy.
Shush.
Cookie wants to go over there. Hey. 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 Hey.
Look. They got you in there. There it is. Look at you. Oh, Jesus, don't do that to me. Don't do that to me.
Oh. Mimi's got Liam.
Oh, you are so sweet. Do you like him? Do you like him? Oh.
Yay! Today's a happy day for the Grants and the Days.